Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to make great tasting mini cakes and talk about a few benefits of making cakes this way. For this we'll be using silicone mini bundt pans and making mini carrot cakes with cream cheese frosting, but you can make your favorite cakes in a similar way. Making small cakes like these has several advantages. Smaller, easily portable portions, which is great for everyone, young and old. The small size makes them easier to store in the refrigerator or freezer. And best of all, no cutting is involved when serving. Just grab and go. Let's get started. I am spraying cooking oil on the pans to ensure an easy release of the cakes when they are done baking. I have already made the carrot cake batter. The recipe is in the description below. I found it easier to pour the batter from a mixing bowl with a spout into the pans rather than spooning it in. A tip on the baking time. This may take longer than you think. Be sure to give yourself plenty of time. These particular cakes took about 35 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. After the cakes are done baking, remove them from the oven and cover them with a damp towel. To understand why I'm doing this, see our video, Tips for a Moist Cake. The link is in the description below. Once the cakes have cooled completely, it is now time to remove them from the pans. They come out really easy. At this point, you can store them in an airtight container to be used later or go directly to adding the frosting to them. For the frosting, I am using a standard cream cheese frosting. The recipe can be found in the description below. To add the frosting, I recommend a reusable piping bag with a large piping tip, one that you would use for cake borders. I am adding the tip into the bag, then the frosting. Make sure all of the frosting is pushed down toward the tip. You are now ready to place the tip in the center of each cake and begin piping the frosting. To add the finishing touches to these little cakes, sift powdered sugar over the top of each cake right before you serve them. If you do it in advance, the powdered sugar will be absorbed by the cake and you won't see it. I hope this video was helpful and that you have fun making these little cakes. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.